insensitive. I must have sinned when he told me that he loved me. Oh, I'm old and cold. I must have sinned when he told me so sincerely. Why he must have asked? Did I just turn and stay in icy silence? What was I to say? What can you say when a love affair is over? Still, all is heartbreaking that last loom. Why he must have asked? Did I just turn and stare in icy silence? What was I to do? What can you do when a love affair is over? What was I to say? What can you say when a love affair is over?